Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Got another unbagging, and this is a test item I'm getting to see how well it works. And if it works good, you guys may be interested in it. So let me get the bag here open because it does have a. They sealed it wrong across the zip tie, so it ain't gonna open up right. Yeah, they really butchered this. Hang on, let me get them opened up here a different way. I try to open it on the little tear lines because then you can reuse it. Supposedly you can reuse the bag, but somebody really used the heat thing on it and just, got right over everything. All right, so the little item I got. Oh, now it's an unboxing. Get it open here. I hate it when they have these things with multiple tabs turned one way and another way to get it open. There we go. Oh, come on. Yeah. I got to destroy it to get it open. Jeez. They need to have that other tab in there holding it shut. Okay. Got some instructions with it. Let's see if I can get it out of the bag here. Okay. Now I know I did a unboxing with the USB things, but this is not a USB hub. What this is a USB-C to Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. And the reason why I got this is because I was reading a lot of stuff and watching several videos on it, and it made absolutely perfect sense. I hadn't thought about it before, and someone said, yeah, this is what you do to stop using Wi-Fi in your house. If you have the outlets for your Ethernet around the house, you get one of these. You plug this part into your phone or your tablet, and then you use the Cat 5, Cat 6 cable to go over to the outlet. You don't have to use Wi-Fi. Now you're not getting irradiated by the Wi-Fi signal. And it also makes the battery in your device last a lot longer because it's not having to act as a radio transmitter and transmit signal back and forth all the time. So I got one of these. I'm going to be trying it out over the next week here or so, and I'll let you know how well it works. But this way, like when I'm using the Kindle to run a video, rather than doing the Wi-Fi on it, I can actually plug it in to the internet and not use the Wi-Fi and do it. And if this works good, I'm going to be seeing about getting a 16-port router to get rid of my Wi-Fi router so I don't have to use Wi-Fi. And I'll just get several more of these around in different rooms where I would be using tablets for me and the wife to use our tablets without being on Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi always bothers me. All right, so I'll let you know how this turns out. In the meantime, stay safe, and I will see you later.